Trang, Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around Nha Trang, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam.
So we're in Nha Trang. This street right here, I read is one of the top 5 kind of walking streets. So we're gonna walk down it and show you what it looks like in the evening time. You can definitely see some hotels, citadines, and then the beach. This is the main road right here. You can see the beach directly across that way as well. So this would be a street that would come into the city, and we're gonna follow it. That's the main street. And that's our target street. Okay, we got Nha Trang up on the map. There it is. We're gonna narrow down into our little street called Biet Street. That's up on the map as well. And I'm in Nha Trang only for a few more videos. So this is gonna be not too far from the ocean, not too far from a little bar street, and you're gonna get a little taste of Nha Trang. So I got some lyrics as well. I'll put that up here too so you can see that. And we're just going to get right into the walk and talk, and you're going to get a little sample of a street in Nha Trang. Now you can get a better idea of the city altogether. All right, let's walk down it. Walk and talk time, where I walk down with the camera. Okay, so Biet. So down that way is the beach. So we're not going to go that way. I do have lots of other videos. I'm kind of capturing different scenes of Nha Trang so people can have an idea what it looks like, and we're going to show you what this particular street looks like right here. So let's go down it. We'll try to get as much of a feel as we can of it. You get lots of seafood in this space right here. Okay, so fresh seafood right there, and I believe you can actually order it as well. You can choose the one that you want. So we're going to go down and try to show you as much as we can of this street. You can also sit outside, have coconuts or juice. We got our marts. Then you can see there's a Korean shop marked, Korean, Chinese, and Russian, which are the 3 main demographics here. And I'm kind of sitting at a different street, just a few blocks down. You can see Italian restaurant. Traditional Vietnamese. Here's a Chinese one. So there's different shops catering to different markets, and some that are just catering to all of them. Let's see, this one is crepes. Okay, so we're gonna just keep on going down. Beauty salon. Tour packages. Money exchange. Okay, that's good. Somewhere a little bit more interesting. Okay, so we just kind of crossed the street here. We're gonna kind of show you what the stores are like, and spas. Maybe massages are. I haven't really been using those at all, so I don't really. I see a variety of prices, and I think that the higher the price, the more legit it is. Meaning, if you want a legit massage with a like deep tissue, then you have to pay a little bit more. So okay, let me see. Got some hotels with some nice windows, coffee shops up there. Sea lounge. Okay, let's go across. So okay, I think that one has a rooftop up there. So this street would be one street parallel with the beach going down, and I think that's one of the main two streets. So those are like north-south streets. That's the other direction of it. And there's some bars all the way down that way as well. But we're gonna just keep going. We're going more west, I guess it is. We're going more like away from the ocean and into the mountains. Hello. So and this street, I think I saw 5 main streets that are kind of the pedestrian streets for walking, and then this would be one of them, and then the other 2 would be parallel to the beach. Hello. No, he's asked me if I want sex, but I don't want sex, of course. So we're gonna just keep on walking all the way down and kind of showing you what this street looks like. I think one thing, what I noticed with the street is it's a lot of massages. It's like, how many have we seen so far? Waterfalls, views. Show a garden over there. This is kind of a Chinese style one. Cigarette? No.
I think like that video when I was crossing the road.
So that was an Australian accent. So we'll just keep on going. So far we've been asked for cigarettes, boom boom, massage. We've seen lots of different people as well. Now we're going to try to cross this street. This is street number 2. So this is the second parallel street. So this is actually another street that's, I think I have filmed it already. I'll walk down that a little bit. We're going to attempt to go across. Hey. So let's kind of see what we got here. Moonlight Hotel, I guess a lot of hotels. And that was where we came from, basically. More hotels. You know, this street I'm seeing more Russian. This street looks a little bit dark. So I don't know how interesting it'll be, but let me jump up a little bit. So there's lots of places to sit for a while. So you can actually sit and eat as well on the street. So they put out the chairs and okay. There's a laundromat. Let's see, we're gonna try to navigate through this a little bit. And I believe that this street will kind of, it'll take a turn. So we're gonna watch for that turn as well. Okay, I think that's the school right there. So I think that this one actually comes up to a giant school, which is right there. And then I think we have to go this way a little bit. Okay, well, let's turn the camera off for a little bit. So I think that the street actually goes down that way, and then you can actually go up that way as well. But there's like some kind of museum for something, so. Okay, so I'm gonna end that video. It looks like it's either like a museum for like airplanes, or it's actually something military. It's kind of confusing, so I'm not even gonna bother with it. But anyways, this is this street, so let's end it right there.
On the train, Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam.